Hey everybody, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 in cash. Today, just in, we got a beautiful brand new car. This is a 2020, that's right, a 2020 Nissan Altima, and it's only got 4,000 miles on it. Everything on this car is still brand new. It's got a few extras, it's got the fog lights, got the chrome trimmings around. Tires are brand new Continentals all the way around. It's got a remote start. Still under factory bumper to bumper warranty. 3-year 36,000. 5-year 60 on the powertrain, I believe. It's got the little proximity key, so as long as you got the key with you, you can lock or unlock it. Inside, super clean. Of course, it's got our standard power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Driver's seat is also power. Cloth inside is immaculate. No rips, tears, stains, nothing like that. Still has that brand new car smell. Got storage, your leather console here. On your key here you can see it's got remote start. Let's go ahead and start it up. Give it a second, the mileage will pop up there. 4228 on the mileage. Brand new. Of course, you got Bluetooth on your phone here. Backup camera. Your AC, which is blowing very cold. Down here you got your charging ports and your auxiliary inputs. Of course, your cruise control and Bluetooth and information controls in your steering wheel. Back has a ton of leg room. Seats are in perfect shape. As you can see, tread is perfect on the tires as well. Lots of room in the trunk. Has the Altima branded floor mat back there. Beautiful car. It's so new that the owner's manual is still shrink wrapped. Look at that, still shrink wrapped. Not even in the case there, still in shrink wrap. Runs quiet. These Altimas get close to 40 miles a gallon on the highway. You can see, nice clean engine. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.